Play piano. I want you to play piano.
Si OG sa Saudi rin.
Pakasara mo yung pinto, Julie. Maliwanag eh. Hindi nakikita. Oh, come on, play piano. Ano? Okay. I know. Is that yours? Is that yours? Is that your toothpaste? Huh? Karel, is that your toothpaste? Answer, auntie. Answer, Lola. Yes. Say yes. No? Okay. It's not yours? Oh, probably Dana or DJ's. Is that DJ's? Say hi, everybody. Come on, say it. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Just sit there. Okay? You don't need to stand up. You're a good piano player, huh? That's it. Smile. Smile, you're in video. Come on, we'll put it on YouTube. Alright, toothpaste. Alright. You're a happy camper today. Are you happy here? Huh? Okay, come on, play piano. Play piano. No? You don't want it? Kaganda lang ng kilay. Oopsie. Stay there. Come on, you'll see it later. Who's Daddy? Okay.
Hello. Excuse me.
Woohoo for Daddy. Woohoo. Say woohoo. Woohoo for Karel. That's it. Where's your little boy?
Where's Daddy?
Daddy's in the inside the room, I guess.
Where's Daddy?
I don't know. You wanna look for him? Wanna look for Daddy? Where's Daddy? You'll see it later, okay? You'll watch it. Not now, cause I'm trying to get you. Say something. Say hi, Daddy.
What?
What's that? Your toothpaste? Did you brush your teeth na? Did you brush your teeth? Huh?
Sasara.
What's that? Huh? Did you brush your teeth? Yes or no?
What?
Did you brush your teeth?
Sorry.
What? I can't understand that one. What is it? Oh, you wanna see it?
Sasara.
You'll see it later, okay? When Auntie's done. When I'm finished, what's that?
Daddy.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
No, Daddy.
Say.
So are you going to come and be my cashier?
Are you going to be? Daddy's cashier? On Saturday?
I have to make a big stool so they can see you.
Alright.
Well, I just got a stove.
What stove?